So today I am wearing my devil ears, my Dollar Tree garland, because it's Halloween. Happy Halloween to everyone. I hope you're doing spooky wonderful and going trick-or-treating or doing anything else. So if you're new to my channel, hello, I'm Karina. I love to paper craft. I also love to organize my crafty supplies. So if you are interested in watching these type of videos, you know what to do. Just click the subscribe button and tap that bell so you can get notified when I upload new videos. Thank you very much for your support. And in today's video, I am going to show you what I received from a Cat's 13 Nights of Spooky Frights swap hosted by the lovely Cat Paper Love in Instagram. My swapping partner was Natalie. She goes by Decor in Instagram. I am just going to go ahead and leave their handles of both Natalie and Kat in the description box below. So I'm going to go ahead and flip the camera so you can watch the unboxing of this fantastic swap that I received from Natalie. So here is a package that I received from Decor. We both participated in the Cat's 13 Nights of Spooky Frights, and I'm gonna go ahead and open the box off camera and then reveal what I got inside. And she sent me these too, so this must probably be her card. Let me see, her extras. Oh, she gave me extras. Oh, I don't have this collection. Oh, I love it. These are like ephemeras. Ooh, okay, I love it. I love it. Thank you very much. Let's take a look. And look at everything. How beautiful. And look at the crinkled paper. And I love this cute. Oh, this is the card. Oh, of course. Oh, she's so sweet. Okay, let's start. And let me see, where can I start? She has these balls here too, and I'm gonna take all the stuff out first off camera, and so you guys can see better. Okay, wow, these are all the goodies. So everything is labeled with numbers, and I know this is 5, 3, 2, I love these, and 1. And I believe this is the mini album because that's how we agreed on. So wow, I wish my camera can capture everything more, but so I am just gonna go ahead and open from 13 to 1. So let's go ahead and open number 13. So number 13 is this one, and I love it. Look at the packaging, and she gave me all these extra rig-rag things here. Nice, so I can reuse it. You know me, I love to recycle everything. So let's see what is here. Oh. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. What is this? What is this? Okay. Alright. Oh my goodness. Oh, I don't have these. Looks like almost like a cheesecloth. Oh, how beautiful. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Did she make this? How gorgeous. Oh, look at this piece of art. Oh my goodness. Look at this. The crow and be aware. Oh, how cute. Oh, like so gorgeous. Thank you. So this is 13. And you will see me probably turning on and off the camera because I have to take pictures for Instagram. So I will be right back. Now let's go ahead and open number 12. And number 12 is this one. and it's just so beautiful. And I'm gonna open this up and look at the cluster. How cute. Oh, she does beautiful clustering. Oh my goodness, so gorgeous. Okay, let me see that. Okay, oh, so this is Boo. How cute. I'm gonna take another picture here, maybe with the clustering, so it looks so beautiful, like that. I know, I'm just shooting videos and taking pictures for Instagram. Oh my goodness. Moving along, let's open number 11. Where is 11? Oh, 11 is here. Ooh, I love it. And let's see what's in here. Oh my goodness, I don't have this. She gave me this. Oh, gorgeous. Love, Nicole. I think this is AC Moore. You know what? I don't have an AC Moore close to me, so the next AC Moore is in West Virginia, but I know that this brand, it's in AC Moore. Thank you. Oh, look at that. How pretty. Oh, lovely, lovely. Okay, so now let's go ahead and take a look at number, I said 13, 12, 11. So let's do number 10. So number 10 is this one. And I'm gonna open this up. And it's an envelope. Ooh, I got dice. Nice, the coffin dice. Neat. Okay, now let's go ahead and take a look at number 9. So number 9, it looks like it's an embellishment box. So cute, I love it. And oh, nice. Yes, it's an embellishment box. Oh, look what it comes with. Oh, everything handmade. Like, look at these flowers. Oh, gorgeous. Oh, I'm in heaven right now. And then, oh, look at these rosettes. Oh, this is so clever. Look at that. The mini rosettes with the googly eyes. Oh, this is so cute. Oh, she put a lot of work in her stuff. Oh, time. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. And I love these mini rosettes. They are like so gorgeous. Gorgeous. Gorgeous with capital G. And, oh, I think she was showing this on her Instagram handle. And look at that. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Look at these. Oh, it's like cotton candy, cotton Halloween candy. So cute. Cute, cute, cute. Lovely, lovely, lovely. So this is number 9. So let's move along with number 8. So number 8 is this one. Number 8 is like, I don't want to destroy anything. No, I don't want to damage packages, so I can reuse them. I know I've been hoarding too many things here, so let me, okay, so, oh, she got me lots of goodies here. All right. Oh, jammies, you know me, I love jammies. Oh, I don't have these jammies. Nice, nice, super nice. Wow. Oh, I love these. Thank you. So now let's move into 7. I believe 7 came along with this, like that. 7. And 7 is, oh, look at her tag. How gorgeous. Oh, look at this ribbon. It's like spiders everywhere. Oh, how beautiful. Bewitched. Oh, this is just beautiful. So this is 7. And now moving on to 6, and I believe this is probably the one. And I hope this video is not too long, but bear with me because I'm gonna show these on Halloween day. Oh, look at that. Oh, she made me a huge one. I know my one was like so small, but look at this one. I love it. Look at that. How clever. Nice. Super nice. So this is number 6. And then we have 4, which is, where's 4? I have 1, I have 2, 4 is here. 4. Okay. Oh my goodness, let me see. I love that she put crinkled paper on everything. And oh my goodness, these are the shakers. Look at her shakers. How gorgeous. Oh, look at that. How pretty. So beautiful. Oh, and I love this one. Like a candy corn with a witch feet. 4. Now let's do 3. And 3 is here. Let's do 3. And I love this. She gave me lots of stuff. Oh, how pretty. Oh, look at these. Oh, a pen with a witch. Oh, crazy head. And a magnet list pad. Thank you. So this is 3. And number 2, I think these are the embellishments. And how clever. I think this is like a plate, like a paper plate. How neat. And it has all the memory discs. How pretty. Oh my goodness, this is just so beautiful. And let's take a look at number 1. Number 1 is the mini album, and I am just looking forward to see this mini album. That's okay. And I know that I'm gonna love it. I love how she packages everything. Nice. Okay, so wow. Take this and mini album. This is a big mini album. I love this tissue paper. Polka dots. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. This is just so gorgeous. Look at this. It almost looks like a junk journal sort of type, you know. Oh, it's so beautiful. Look at all the details. Look at these. So gorgeous. I'm gonna come closer so you guys can see better. And wow, so this is number 1. And look at the inside. Oh, good. So it's protected. And look at that. Nice. Nice. Very cute. Wow. Nice. Happy hunting. Oh my goodness, look at that. Look at all the work. Oh my goodness, how beautiful. She even inked all the areas in the... Oh, look at this one. How cute. Oh my goodness. Oh, this is just so beautiful. I'm definitely gonna use this for Brit's Halloween crafty Halloween party, so I can put the pictures. And oh my goodness, this is just so gorgeous. And she even did like pockets. How nice. Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. Another pocket here, you know, journaling or photos or anything like that. Oh my goodness. She goes by In the Core in Instagram. And look at that. Neat. Super, super cute. Oh my goodness. And this other one, I know I'm taking pictures. Sorry about that, but I have to post this in Instagram, so that's why I am taking pictures. And I love it. And this is the last one. Nice. Handmade. Yes, this is just gorgeous. This is just so beautiful. I am going to leave Natalie's handle. She goes by In the Core in the description box below. She has an Instagram account. So her work is just so phenomenal. It's just so beautiful. Go ahead and like her, follow her on Instagram. I mean, she is just so talented. Oh my goodness, all the handmade stuff that she put together is just amazing. Amazing. And, oh, I forgot number 5. Why am I forgetting number 5? Let me move things around here. I forgot number 5. I can't count. What is this, Karina? You know how to count. So this is number 5, and I'm just going to take another picture for Instagram. And over here it is, oh, she gave me socks. Yeah, thank you. I need more socks, you know, me and my socks, especially us that we live in, you know, winter. We're almost close to winter, and this is just so gorgeous. And I'm gonna put here the number 5 and do another picture. Perfect. Okay, so if you like this video, just don't forget to give the thumbs up, share this video with any of your friends and family, and if you haven't done so and would like to be subscribed, just don't forget to click the subscribe button and to tap that bell so you can get notified when I upload new videos. Thank you very much for watching, my crafty friends, and see you on my next video. Bye.